Hi everyone. In this video, we will show exactly how to see who blocked you on Facebook. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, go to the search bar and search for the username that you want to check for. When you search for the person's name in the Facebook search bar, their profile does not appear in the search results. But if you somehow have their profile, you will not be able to see their display picture and cover photo. None of their posts will be available for you, and there will be a blank account without any info. Also, if you have mutual friends with the person who have blocked you, check their friends list. If you can't find the person on your mutual friends list, they may have blocked you. After that, open your Messenger app. Here, search for that username in Messenger search bar. You will see the option of this person isn't available on Messenger. It also shows that the specific person has blocked you. Apart from this, you will notice if you had a conversation or exchanged comments with the person, but now you cannot see those messages or comments. They may have blocked you.